If you are ever designing a junction and you need to understand the side distance, there are things you have to consider. So open up vehicle tracking, select the vehicle that you need to simulate. In this case, it's an interstate semi-trailer. Start the simulation for the vehicle. In this case, I'm going to put in a distance of 30 kilometers per hour. Simulate the vehicle as you see fit. Which is very good. Now, after you've simulated the vehicle, you can do something we call place outline. What happens is you can place an outline of the vehicle throughout. This helps you understand how the vehicle is affecting the junction. In this case, the lane was wide, the width of the lane was 6 meters, which is around roughly 20 feet, 18 to 20 feet. And we had to add a shoulder of 2 meters, which is around roughly 6 to 7 feet. But then again, is the sight line, is the junction visible? So what you can do is you turn on visibility sight lines. And what these do is they show you how you can design the junction with visible sight distance. And in this case, what we can do is you can just click, 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 click. And you're able to see the different sight lines in the junction. And you'll be able to design the junction in such a way that, okay, in that section, maybe let's make sure the shrubs are shorter. They shouldn't be able to affect sight distance. And also, you design the junction in such a way that that junction, there should be no building. There shouldn't be a building or anything else obstructing. Thank you. Pro tip, make sure you design your junctions at 75 to 80 degrees, 75 to 90 degrees. Pro tip number 2, always make sure you design your junction at 90 degrees. Now, worst case, you can design them at 70 degrees. Why is that the case? When you have a skew, what happens is your side distance is larger than normal. And also, if your junction is on a grade, you're going to need further side distance. So a junction whereby if the junction is at 60 degrees, which is even worse than recommended, your side distance is going to be quite long. And that junction is going to have so many accidents and it's going to be unsafe. So when you're designing junctions, keep right angles or move to 75 worst case. Thanks for paying attention to this pro tip.